फार्मसी शटडाऊन जे केल्ले कसो रिस्पॉन्स आहा आनी कितें तुमकां सांगता?
Response has been fantastic. It is almost a 100% strike because सगळेकडे आमी अजून वचून आयल्या ते पळयत जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी आपले फार्मसी बंद दवरल्या.
आनी आमचे ऑल गोवा रिपोर्ट जे येता ऑल ओवर गोवा रिपोर्ट जे येता ते ऑल हॅव बीन शट. वेगळा 100% सक्सेस. Only those are open are only the hospital pharmacies as planned earlier as a service to the community. We have kept the pharmacy only attached to hospitals open.
Now, Pratik Akke, we are getting feedback from everywhere. There's not a single chemist which will be find open today. Maybe sporadically something like this Jan Aushadaya because but they have been exempted from this strike and hospital pharmacy open. Otherwise, the response has been fantastically good, and we are sure it will lead to a success for the chemists because this will open the eyes of the central government. Because we are getting reports from all India also, it has been a big success.
Your demands were there, genuine demands. So do you think it will be?
Yeah, the basic demand as regards the online sale of drugs, which is going on, and that demand is also already there with the government. Plus predatory pricing जो आसा, हे दोन major आमचे demands आसा, and there's those sections which have been there, section 817 and 220. Which was invoked during the COVID time, that we have requested for the rollback, so that there is all this rampant sale of medicine that is happening online, that is spoiling the market as well as spoiling the youth. That we have already asked for, and I think government is in a serious considering that.
Today
in fact, there was a meeting with the All India body and Minister of Commerce Piyush Goyal, and Mr. Piyush Goyal has been very sympathetic towards our demands, and he has promised that he will take it forward with the central government.
Secondly, the unity that we have seen today, that all Goa, all the pharmacies has come together. Do you think this type of unity should be there?
Yes, this unity is very much essential because today it is the survival of the fittest. Because if this is not going to be done, then I think that is the end of it for us, and the trade will suffer as a whole. So I think we have to thank all the chemists and all our other partners also, especially the corporate chains that have also participated in this Bandh. For all the wholeheartedly they have supported us, and the Bandh has been a big success.
So what will be the next step if you think?
Now the next step would be, we will definitely see how this thing is, and it is our All India body, that is the All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists, that will take a call on this. They will certainly meet, and we will have a meeting together, and then the next course of action will be decided very soon.
With this Bandh, you have also taken in mind that people should not suffer. So you have given some contact numbers. What exactly?
Absolutely, the due care was taken because we have addressed this issue last week, and we had appealed to all the patients and customers in particular that since this is going to happen on 20th, they should stock all the required medicines, and only in case of some emergency medicine that they require, we have always kept that option open of hospital pharmacies for them. So I don't think the patients are at inconvenience at all. And plus we have given our numbers also, they are free to call us if they have any problem whatsoever for getting the medicines. Not at all. No, we are also thankful for also the FDA, because they have been very considerate, and they are really doing a good job, and we expect the same cooperation from them as well in the near future. Thank you.